Yo, what is going on? It is Monday, April 27th, 5:21 p.m. And today we did take a trade. Honestly, a trade that I'm not mad at whatsoever, but a trade where we see a very, very, very unfortunate outcome. And I will explain the trade right there. So as you can see, we lost $766.40 today across the 5 AlphaZero funded accounts. So let's get into today. If we take a look right here at the hourly chart, respecting this hourly, have this hourly below that we haven't tagged into, but we are still near all-time highs. We have midnight open above. And honestly, at open, I don't think we took Asia or London just yet at open, but those, of course, would have been my targets. Right at open. Yeah, right at open, we ran it, which we then create an SMT right here with Asia low. So now immediately what I'm going to look for is displacement lower or longs. I wanted this long up here, this pre-market 30-second right here, just because this one was, I've seen it fail. Like, don't get me wrong, this one is beautiful. Like, oh shit. And also work had me fucked with this shit. This one was beautiful, but I'd want to see instant delivery. That's why I would take the higher one in this instance and going break even just at a discretional point to target this long ass 930 wick. I mean, this wick was long as shit. 24 points, right? Like this, if I'm going to see this one get inverted, it's going to do this and then maybe invert right here with displacement. But it didn't, so I didn't want to take that one. I ended up seeking the higher one, which I never got. Then price shit the bed. Now immediately here, I'm like, cool, maybe I can get shorts to this to this hourly gap right here. There's an hourly gap right here. I'm like, cool. Like, this is clear and obvious bearish order flow. And what was really weird was that we had this weird ass, like, look at where ES was while NQ was failing. ES was way above here. ES was floating above that 930 high. Floating above that bitch. Also, I think this 930 high was a pair of equal highs, if I'm not mistaken. Give me 1 second. Yes, was it? Or was it relative? No, what? Oh, wait, this is on the 30-second. Was it? No, it was not. Maybe on ES it was. Sorry, forgot about if it was or wasn't. Why is it not cooperating? Right, and then here's why I took the trade I took. So as you can see right here, right, we had chopped and then sold off. So accumulation, manipulation, distribution higher. Now we started fucking flying off of for no reason, right? Now we see both assets in correlation. ES swept out London low and also started pumping up, right? So what we have here is still this internal SMT with Asia low. We have this SMT with Asia low. I'm sorry, that was the SMT that was marked out. We had this SMT with Asia low. We had an internal SMT, and then we started flying up, correct? So what am I automatically going to think? We're going to run higher to at least this 930 wick. I don't think 930 is going to be high of day now if we're going to start displacing in this manner. We don't have a 5-minute that we inverse because there was no 5-minute left behind unless it was all the way up here. We don't inverse a 15-minute or anything. We just chop off of one, right? So obviously higher time frame conditions aren't as ideal, which is why I seeked more of a quick internal setup today, right? So back to where we were, we had this 1 minute start pumping up. So then again, I'm back to this trade idea. I almost took it on this candle just because of this sheer displacement. I'm back to this exact trade idea. We don't get it. We start retracing down essentially, and we didn't hit like no fib level to this internal range. Even at this internal low, we technically closed through a level. So it doesn't really count for this trade. But we were respecting this big ass 1 minute gap. This 1 minute gap was being respected, right? And now let's go down. Well, first let's take a look that we left equal highs right here. These were equal highs. So boom, we have this pair of equal highs. And now we also had 40325, 40325. Yep, we had this pair of equal highs. This pair of equal highs right here is important, right? So now let's go down to the 30-second to see where I took my entry. If you take a look right here, right, we chop around, we accumulate for about 5 minutes. We open up a 30-second gap, create an internal SMT where ES does not sweep out this low right here. And then immediate 1 candle displacement. Now, I don't enter just off of this displacement alone. The only reason I entered was because we formed those new 1 minute equal highs, because this would have been my break even. Had it taken this up here and not formed these equal highs, I wouldn't have taken this trade. But seeing the 1 candle displacement, the internal SMT, the higher time frame delivery making sense, the 930 wick still being above, and my new thought that the 930 cannot be high of day if we're going to start displacing like this with reasoning, because we had that SMT, and even ES went down and grabbed liquidity, right? I set my limit. Immediately as I seen these equal highs left, I got filled immediately, and I thought that it would pump up. It pumped up and then shit the bed down. And I got stopped out. So yeah, I'm not mad at this trade, bro. Like, what do I like to target? Equal highs, right? What do I like to target? Equal lows, strong draws on liquidity. It was there. I don't want to fall into those same habits of being the old Nick who sees a pretty good setup and is like, damn, I didn't take that. Did I lose today? Yes. Is losing a part of the system? Yes. Am I not break even no more? I'm down. But it's all good, bro, because in the end, it's all going to play out. I'm down $700. I was down a couple thousand. Like, it's going to be all good, dude. It's going to be all good. These accounts were fresh, essentially, and they're down like 150, 160. That's one trade. That's less than one trade. It'll be all right. Let's just stay focused. Let's get into it tomorrow immediately. And again, if anybody's watching this who's new, bro, what did I do after I lost? Hopped off, dude. Just hop off, bro. There's no reason to sit on the charts, sit here, start bitching, start doing dumb shit when it's unnecessary. It's genuinely fucking unnecessary. And that goes for anyone who's coming back maybe, or even watching this now and notices that they make that mistake. Bro, it's unfucking necessary to. Like, I took my L, took that shit on the chin, got off, dude. It is what it is. My rules personally: 1 L get off, 1 dub get off, 2 break even get off. As soon as a win or a loss happens, off. No need for more. On eval, I've been playing a little different, don't I? But yeah, there's no reason for me to even sit on here and try to fucking FOMO into some other shit. There's not. So I just got off. That's simple. Not mad at this trade. I like this trade. I'm taking this trade again. And I'm happy because I'm noticing that bad habits that I had prior are fading away. And I'm becoming a new and more confident trader, which is what I need at the end of the day. It's almost been a year exactly that I've been fucking starting learning. So I need to fucking ramp this shit up, bro. If it takes me 16 months to become profitable, it's okay. Because as long as I'm here busting my ass every single day, taking smart trades and making the right moves, I'm okay with it, bro. My journey it has its ups, it has its downs. But at the end of the day, I got to stay confident and stay believing. Thought I had a burp. Stay believing in myself. And just keep at it, bro. Head down, just working. As long as I keep doing the right things, bro, it'll all fall in line. Like, it will. I don't give a fuck. And I don't care what extent it takes. It's going to work. I like this trade. I'm taking this trade again. I'm noticing my bad habits are being fixed. I'm becoming a better trader. I'm becoming more confident. I can't complain right now, dude. I lost today. So fucking what? I'm winning in the long run. I'm going to win in the long run. So, yeah, that's all that I have for today. Peace, love, positivity. Love you, whoever's watching this. Really do. Appreciate you tuning in, Nick, if you're watching back on this. Well, when you're watching back on this, man. Like I say, more often than not, congratulations. Look, I haven't said that in a while. Because you did it, you stuck through with it. And just keep working, bro. Because even whenever I do come back and watch this, I know there's always a greater whatever heights, whatever the fuck the term is, to go out there and get. Just keep working. Whoever's watching this, keep working. Stay at it. Believe in yourself. Your limit is what you think. So think the best. If you can overthink about negative shit, you can overthink about positive shit. Get to it. All right, now I'm really done. I'm sorry for holding you up and yapping. Peace, love, positivity. Te amo. Te amo. Te amo, te amo, te amo.